Hi, my name's Mark. Welcome to Membership Websites. So how do we change the color in the header of the side-by-side menu? Let me show you what I mean. First of all, we're going to go to the back end of the website. We're going to go to Toolbox Menu Manager. And we're going to just grab the code for the side-by-side pricing. So copy shortcode. We're then going to go to My Content Web Page Builder. We're going to go down to the pricing page. You'll see when we open this up that the default pricing structure is there in place. We're just going to move that section down and we're just going to drop in the shortcode for the side-by-side pricing. We're going to save it and then we're going to view the page. So when we view the page, we can see here that we have our headings here, and maybe we want to change the colors that are being used here. So there is a setting to change these colors, and that setting is, if we go into the admin end, we go to settings and design settings. On the first tab as the page opens up, go to content boxes and background, and you can see here there's a setting here for the side-by-side pricing title background, and we can either select one of the button colors that we have here, or we can pick our own from the grid layout. So we're going to change it to yellow. We can also change the color of the font just here for the side-by-side pricing. We're just going to leave it for white for now. We're going to save them changes, come back here and refresh. You can also customize the colors with CSS within the side-by-side pricing menu itself as well. But that's how you use the settings to change the color of the side-by-side pricing header. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.